Hi traders, this is Daily Market Review and we'll talk about Brent, gold and silver. For Brent, this is a 30-minute chart and I want you to pay attention to a RSI period 14 on 30-minute chart, which may help us to make trading decision. When price goes up to overbought zone, which is around 70, you may use it as an entry point, as an entry signal for Brent to go down. And also I would like you to see that here is the 200 moving average on 30-minute chart. Well, as far as this is a range, this is not a trend. This 200 moving average is a weak point. This is not a strong resistance. This is a weak point, but here is a level of resistance, 101.30, which is important from July 5th. There was a support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance, 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 support, resistance. You can see that this is some area which is important for traders. Let's open 1 hour chart. Over here, it's also some kind of, like 200 moving average close to this zone, but this is not area which I expect them to try. And also I wanted to say that this is a flat, so this is not a trend. I'm pretty sure that we are okay with short positions as far as price is under 200 moving average. On 4 hour chart, also price is under 200 moving average, and I told you that my target goes down to 90 area after price breaks 97 area. So under $97 per barrel we can sell down to $90 per barrel. And today we're going to get some news from from Fed about the rate decision, and this is a really period for volatility, high volatility for the market. And if price on that news will go up, in the same hour it may go down, and after they make shadow on the top side, this will be a really good entry point for us with the short positions. So I'm not gonna open long positions, and this is my trading idea for those days, but short positions are good after we get signal. There is no signal right now because we are waiting for some news to come this evening. After we get news, we'll get good volatility, we'll get a signal to enter market. But also please mention that anything really weird may happen in the market, and if they go really far above 130, our resistance is about 108.80. So levels that I told you about for last weeks are still the same, and this is 108.80, this is 104, this is 101.30, 97 and 90. Also on weekly chart, there is no buy signal yet, but also there is no sell signal. What I can tell you that 200 moving average is really low, but this is not a signal for us to sell, because like it's going down, so it has to try this level. No, it doesn't have to do that. So this is not a signal. On daily chart, price is staying on 200 moving average for a long time. Since the beginning of July, price is being on this support, and they can't go higher. So I'm not allowed to buy right now just because it's sitting on support, and if they break the support, we have another one around 90 area. If you ask me about some buy signal right now, there is no on 4-hour chart, on 1-hour chart. If you go to 15-minute chart, it's also really weak. It's going up, but it's really weak. That's why I'm coming back to 30-minute chart, and I'm trying to show you this RSI period 14, this overbought zone and opportunity to sell from here. So I wish you profits today, and let's go to watch what's up with the gold. This is gold for our chart, and current price is around 1,722. This is not a flat. I believe that this is still a trend and downgoing trend with the support area around 1,650. A couple of weeks ago, I told you that this is a really good, strong support for us on daily chart, and price tested my first target, 1,685. That was the first target. After that, they give us a rebound, but this is still a really weak situation for the gold. This is not an opportunity for us to buy. This is just a rebound, and intraday you can buy, but general idea it's still going down. If we check weekly chart, price touched 200 moving average. This is a strong signal, but if you look down on RSI period 14, they didn't touch the 30 area, which is the oversold area for RSI. And we decided that since 2022, this is a range because there are no maximum prices going higher than the previous one, and there are no minimum prices going lower than the previous one. So this is a flat situation, and in a flat we are allowed to use RSI. In this current RSI situation, as a buy signal, we will use RSI from 30 zone. So there is no buy signal right now. It means that we still have an opportunity to sell, and my target goes to 1,650, but they may test even 1,640 area. Until they don't show us a good, strong buy signal, we still can try to enter market with short positions. On 4-hour chart, please sell only under this area, which is 1,700. We are allowed to sell only under this area. This will be a really strong, good idea to sell. Also, we can try to wait for market to go up to 1,760. What I can tell you for 100% that I'm not gonna buy. Even if you buy today and you earn, I'm really glad for you, but I'm not gonna do that because I think that this is a risky situation, and in downtrend we should look for opportunities to sell, but anything up this is a correction, and I'm waiting for signals with the trend. On 1-hour chart, I don't see any signals. On 30-minute chart, there are no good signals. And please, I would like to remind you that when we see trend, we use trend lines. But if we see flat, we don't use trend lines because they just don't work. For silver, for our chart, it's still possible that price will go higher. Yes, they still may go a little bit higher. Maybe they will test even like 19.30 area, but the support, a really important support, is around 17.60. This is a support area. If you try to enter market with the target 17.60, I can't tell you the technical resistance like 19 and we sell from here. I can't tell you that. What I can tell you, what I'm going to use as, for example, 30-minute chart or 1 hour chart, after I see those shadows on the top side, after I see them, not like right now, I predict that they may show me that. No, I predict that they will still go to 17.60. After that, I need entry point, I need signal. My signal will be, after I see those shadows from the top side on a good level of resistance, and after that, I need to see minimum prices going lower, lower, and lower. And in one of those moments, I will enter market with a target 17.60. So I bet you start to buy already, and there are many traders who decided that this is a really good support and we should buy right now. Go for it, seriously, go for it. I'm not trying to say that you don't, that you shouldn't buy. Maybe you should, but if you buy right now, for example, your stop loss goes under 17.60. This is something that I want to aware you about. If price goes up like to the moon from today's price, from today's situation, I will be really happy for you. But what I am trying to aware you about, that there is still a really important support around 17.60. And if they start to show me sell signal on 1 hour chart from today's evening, and those minimum prices and those extremums will go lower, lower, and lower, I will enter market with short positions with a clear understanding what my take profit is. It's around 17.60. I can be mistaken. This is the most important idea for today. Everyone can be mistaken, so I'm just trying to share my trading ideas with you. And if you have your trading system, I will help you to earn. I wish you profits, guys. Watch my other videos on YouTube channel, because on every video I'm trying to give you a reason why I sell or why I buy, and I want you to understand those reasons so you will trade by yourself and you'll make profits easily. See you, bye.